Slow crash games had their time. Now slow is dead and speed is the new normal. The world got faster. Dopamine hits every 5 seconds. The old pace stopped working. So we built AVION, powered by the Supersonic Engine, designed for 5x faster gameplay. That's how we killed slow. Less waiting, more action, no wasted seconds. This is not a warm-up. This is a deployment for our next stop, São Paulo. The unit is geared up. The mission is locked. Operation Sigma Brazil is live. Drop point, Booth H165. We are bringing the speed. We are bringing the force. We are bringing AVION Supersonic. Brazil, get ready.